Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Xanthe Naomi, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a spring cleaning slash organizing slash getting rid of a lot of unnecessary things. Like, I just did a clean out of my bedroom. I have like 2 suitcases full of clothes. I need to find a space to put them here. I have to go through all these drawers, organize them, go through the closet, organize that. Like, your girl has a lot of stuff to do. So that's what we're gonna be doing basically in this video. Your girl, after moving so much of my life, like, I don't know why I have never been a minimalist. Like, I feel like that's my definition. Like, I want to be a minimalist. Like, there's no reason for me to have 3 closets full of clothes. I mean, I don't. I only have 1 closet, but there's no reason for me to have this much stuff. Like, I am only one person. I can only wear one thing at a time. Like, why do I have so much clothes? And I don't even have a lot of clothes. That's the thing about it, but it feels like a lot. Go ahead and organize this entire room, change some things around. Yeah, do what we gotta do, because I can't keep living like this. I cannot.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Pooch, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence if you with it. I guarantee you won't regret you did
Just
it.
say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.
Okay guys, it is like an hour later. I just had to take a break, low-key, just to like husa, because I feel like I had so much done like earlier. So now I'm gonna tackle the closet because it's a mess and there's like no space. Hey guys, first off, let's just pretend like I'm not recording this a whole week later. Y'all, like, life just was lifing, okay? But anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. I am so happy with the closet. If you guys, I don't even remember if I inserted like a before and after, but it looks so much more put together. Even though there is still a lot of things like on the top of shelves, it's still way better than it was before, so I'm a happy girl. All my things are moved in. I feel great. When my space is nice and put together, I feel nice and put together. So happy about that. The only downside to all of this is that, guys, I have to pack it all up in like a week and a half. Yeah. By the time as you guys see this, I would have already packed it all up because we are moving. But more about that in the next video, maybe, but it'll be coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new and you have not already subscribed and you're thinking about subscribing, just subscribe, girl. Come on. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.